Well, I went inside this guy right now and actually who am I kidding? I went to sleep. I left this thing in pieces and I went to sleep. Anyways, I got completely inside of Robot Commander and I'm going to replace the original speaker by Big Mouth Billy Bass's speaker because it's a whole lot better. You know, the speaker that Billy Bass previously had, which was the original, of course. Here's the board, which differentiating it from the other one that I have, it's actually green, but it's the same thing. It's actually um, the same traces and everything. Now, I tried making my other one work, and it turned out to be a failure. The other one just doesn't work anymore. It's plain dead. So yeah. Other than that, I'm just gonna show you all a bit more of the robot. Here's the head. I don't know if you guys can actually see the the radioactive coating it has. God damn it, fucking hands. Which is really fucking neat. I'll say that. I love it. And the funny thing about these is that they only do it for the very relevant parts. They don't do it for the shoulder armors. Not the shoulder, I mean the little armor piece at the gun arm that doesn't light up. They don't do it for these, nor for these. They just do it for the feet, the shoulders, and the head. That's literally everything that's different from a regular blue Zodak. Now, this is already a confirmed Huachi first generation because of the fact usually the first ones that Huachi made were chromed. They had chrome and they had the same structure, which is the 4AA battery structure. And again, they are the type of robots that light up when they talk. Like they stay lit when they talk. That's how you can tell which is a first gen or which not. And of course, this is one of the many variants that was sold at Argentina. Because the ones that were confirmed to be bought and to be sold in Argentina in the mid 90s were the regular Zodaks, then the ones that have chrome colors but the head is entirely chrome, same with the feet, and they have like a coating on top. The Space Robot Zodaks, which are completely different, but then of course these Zodaks. Um, it's pretty interesting to actually know that after a lot of time, and it's actually really cool. I mean, I personally am somewhat shocked that I was able to find this, and it's in decent shape. I mean, the gearbox has only three problems. No, it's not a biggie. I mean, the gear right there is split, so this is just loose. The helical gear is actually split, so it doesn't walk, and this gear right there, I don't know if you guys actually can see it, hopefully you can. That gear has a split, which is the yellow line. But other than that, all he needs is just cleaning, and that's it. Okay, the gearbox is the last thing I'll probably check on it. Because what I'll do right now is probably just take the head apart, the arms apart, everything apart, especially the first part I'll probably clean will be this so I can mount the contacts in. The contacts by their side, they are a bit rusted. This one's a bit rusted from the top, but I can easily send it off. And the other one's just, yeah, I gotta clean them off as well. Other than that, I guess that's it. I mean, I left the resistor mounted on the surface. I'm gonna actually have to redo it once I end up putting that here for good. And of course, as this is a first gen, it actually has the space left for the four buttons that were later on released in another robot called Galactic Commander. And there is actually some walking and spinning robots that do have this chip. So not chip, this little button thing. There is a Zodak that's confirmed to have four buttons here. Anyways, I guess that's practically it. I mean, the funny thing is that I thought he was going to glitch out, but he didn't in the last video because um, when I first brought him, okay, when I first took him out of the bag after they gave it to me because we went picking it up, and I pushed the button that says my name is Zodak, and he literally just does doom ta 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 ta. He keeps on doing that sound, and he starts beeping out of nowhere, and I was like, oh no, don't tell me this thing is dying or something. No, it was just the stupid batteries. It was just a glitch or some sort. Kind of sad I didn't catch it on video because that was actually pretty. weird. It was just a beeping and that was it. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and stop saying blah 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 and turn the iron on, start desoldering a few things, and clean it up. So stay tuned for the updates.